Beach bag and things like that. Yeah.
Oh, so cute.
Thank you. I'm not videoing you. I'm not videoing you. Hi guys, welcome back to the Island channel.
You know the vibes.
The Island family. Alright guys, so I'm here in town right now and it's quite nerve-wracking. I met a YouTuber that actually got on the taxi with me by the name of Roger Rankin Vlogs. So yeah, he said he was going to follow us and we're going to follow him. So he wants to do a collab with me and Babes, and yeah, he was being cheeky at first and I told him I'm a married woman, so you know, yeah, so he was happy to do some collab tomorrow, he says. So yeah, got to contact him for that. Anyways guys, just in town, really strange, but you know, it is what it is and that's what we're doing. So I'm gonna go down to Payless Shoes. I'm gonna go have a little look there first. I'm going to basically just have a look at some shoes there for Babe, and if I find something I like, see if I can take some pictures of it. If I do, maybe Baby can come tomorrow and we can get them. So fingers crossed guys. Yep, that's what's up. It seems quite busy right now because Christmas and things, so just getting started. Yep. So guys, if you haven't seen the new police station, that's the new police station right now. Juan Antonio police station guys. What's up? Hopefully I took a good snap out of that. Yeah. Beautiful building guys. So anyways, people probably thinking like I'm crazy, but you know, it's all good. It's all part of the vlog guys. If people don't like me filming, I won't film, but yeah, just keeping it real, you know? Yeah. Alright guys, I'm gonna leave you to it because I'm walking like the street. I don't really want anyone to be like telling me off and things, but yeah, there's a 5-0 guys. 876, that's what's up. Yeah. Alright guys, so I'm gonna let you be and see how we go when I get in there. Hopefully no one's gonna try upsell me or downsell me anything. Be real, you know, let's be real with that. Alright guys, blessings. So these ones, babe, they're nice. Them ones. So like I said, you're gonna have to come and choose what you like. Alright baby. So they're a size 10, which I don't think they'll fit you, but yeah. Alright. So I'm thinking Beelers. Okay. Hi. I'm good. I'm just trying to find my partner some shoes.
What size?
9.5.
Okay.
So I'm just filming so he can see
Okay.
what shoes he might like. But I'm not too sure if I'm going to buy something today.
Okay.
Because he's not well, so he's at home.
Okay. The prices are.
Yeah, she told me because I couldn't find them.
Yeah.
Yeah, she said on the right side.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
These are really pretty. You might like them. It's hard.
I think I know you.
Oh really?
Yes. I think I watch his vlogs.
Yes, I am on.
Okay.
Yeah, we are vloggers.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
thank you.
Okay.
What channel? The Island Family.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
I always see your YouTube.
Awesome. Do you want to be on camera? Hey guys, she follows us, or she's watched us before. Yeah. So
Alright.
my partner's at home with the baby. So
Okay,
yeah.
yeah.
All right. Thank you. Oh yeah, for the baby. Yeah, for sure. Okay. Oh good, he's only 5 months old.
Oh.
So yeah, maybe Mm. They're quite nice. It would be a bit big, but still, he'll grow into them, right? Yeah. So guys, I got baby. Got me some of these. And I got baby boy some of these. So, yeah. Hopefully he likes them. Hey guys. The new store here in Port Antonio, Payless Shoes, guys. So if you're downtown, come check it out. They've got a special right now. Buy one, buy two, get one free. And that's the price. Alright?
So guys, I'm here now. Stuck at home with Island. Feed him and thing. He's been a well-behaving boy. I'm loving it. Probably he's gonna fall asleep with me next. Until mommy comes back. You alright, Bobo? Drinking milky? Yay! Yeah, guys.
A few moments later.
So guys, I just went and bought the one box of shoes for babe because I just realized it's just me, myself and I carrying so many boxes. So I just thought to myself, well, you know, I'm not gonna carry 3 boxes of shoes and then, you know, come home with like a whole bag of stuff. So yeah, I just bought the one pair for babe, you know, just thinking smart really. So now I'm going to go and get some jerk chicken. So I'm going to try and cross the road. This is very dangerous of me. But wish me luck, guys. Here we go. Hello. Good, thank you. Alright guys, I'm here at Breast Jerk Chicken place. I'm missing Bobo and Babes. Actually. Feels weird when you're shopping yourself, but yeah. I guess I gotta get used to it. Pretty. Sea's very calm today. I would love to go fishing eventually. So we'll see what happens. Hello. Can I get one breast quarter with extra festival?
600.
And then another breast quarter, just a normal, thank you. Oh, actually make it 2 extras, yeah? Thank you. And I'll get a drink somewhere else. She was rude to me at the beginning, so she can go eat a poo. All right, guys. So I'm back on the road now. Got our food, or our feed I should say. Oh my gosh. So that's what's up. Vlogging through, guys. And so that's what's up. I'm gonna get a drink somewhere down here, I think. Let's stop off and get a drink. Pizza Corner. I want to ask these guys if they're open on the 24th. Okay, no mask, no entry. I don't even know where I left my mask. I think I put it back in my bag. I'm not even sure. It's all good. At least I know now. if I want to come here. And yeah. Alright guys, so just walking through the streets. Some people are good, some people not so good. Nah, I'm only joking, everyone's good. I'm just hoping this jerk chicken doesn't spill everywhere in my bag, guys, because that would be disastrous, actually. Alrighty. So guys, I hope that you guys enjoyed shopping with me today. Unfortunately, like I said before, I couldn't get the extra pairs of shoes because I've only got one hand or two hands and a little backpack. So she did offer to put it in a big garbage bag for me, but I said no because I don't want to be seen carrying, you know, garbage bag and things like that. Yeah.
So cute.
Thank you. I'm not videoing you. I'm not videoing you. Not videoing you. So that's what's up, guys. Sometimes people don't like videos. I'm not videoing them. I don't need to video them. I'm as feisty as hell when it comes to things like this because I'm not filming nobody. Alright guys, so stay tuned. Follow us, the Island family, you know what's up. Alright guys, that wraps it up for today. Thank you for joining me on this lovely day. Yeah, so hopefully, fingers crossed, you don't want more people? This guy doesn't want more people. Anyways, so yeah guys, bless up, have a lovely day, and we'll catch you soon. Alright, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment on our channel. This is the Island family. This is your girl Maria, Chica de la Isla. Bless up. So guys, like, I just got home at least half an hour ago and I brought some jerk chicken. Obviously you all know that from watching the vlog. And Mr. has been in the pantry full of food, and how I know is because there's food on the floor and some ants are hacking into it.
No, it's Island. Island did it.
Island did not do that.
Baby, it's Island. I didn't trouble anything.
You ate sausage.
No.
I true that. I true her talker.
It's Island.
It's true.
Island did it, not me.
Guys, he just got caught. He's eating freaking food. That's why he says I'm pretty full right now. He couldn't finish his festivals.
Baby, it was Island.
Island?
Island.
Island. Did Daddy eat? Daddy ate, didn't he? He did. Give me one big smile and tell Mommy Daddy ate everything in the pantry while I was gone shop. He did.
Island don't say nothing.
He tell the truth, Baba. Baba tell the truth.
Don't say
Baba
nothing.
tell the truth. Yeah, see? He did.
You forced
Guys,
him to say that.
This guy, unbelievable.
No.
He's a chancho. Chancho in Spanish means pig. He's a chancho. Yep.
No.
There you go, guys. Living proof that he ransacked the bloody pantry to get food.
Jesus.
Knowing I was bringing food home. But still, that's not the point. The point is he left the bloody ants to eat the sausage, half sausage eaten on the floor.
Island was here chilling.
Yeah, chilling. And now the ants have a feast over there. Oh my God. All right, guys. Bless.
Bless. Bobo is still sleeping.
Yeah. I didn't want to stay out too long because I miss these guys so much and just, yeah.
Yeah.
And apparently the Payless shoes had buy two get one free, and I bought myself some and I bought Bobo some.
Yeah.
But I thought, how am I going to carry it?
Oh.
3 big boxes like this.
Wow.
Oh well, actually 2 big boxes like this and a small one for Bobo shoes.
Yeah, yeah.
And I was like, how am I going to
Damn.
carry it? So I said to the lady, I'm sorry, I'm going to cancel the order.
Oh.
So I just took your shoes instead.
Wow.
Because I couldn't
What
carry.
kind of shoes is this now?
American Eagle, they're good brand. Anyways, I think this is my mashup. Plus I bought jerk chicken, guys. Guys,
Jesus, Chica.
do you like them?
Yeah, you're doing too much.
No, because I love you, that's why. Even though you pranked my ass this morning, I'll never forgive you for that. And I got jerk chicken too, which only
Nice.
fit in this bag.
Oh my God.
So yeah, I want to go buy a drink though.
Okay.
Still. Alright guys.
You did it, baby.
Yeah, I did it.
Oh,
And at Payless Shoes, this girl goes, I know you. And I'm like,
really?
yeah, her name's Jessica. She goes, oh, you have YouTube, right? And I said, yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, met a
I got
fan.
fans, yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. So, anyway, so this guy gave me his name's Roger Rankin, and that's his vlog name, Roger Rankin Vlogs.
Oh.
And then he gave me his number because he said he wanted to do a collab tomorrow.
Oh.
And I said, because at first he was being cheeky, and I said, man, I've got a husband and I
Yeah.
have a kid. And he was like, oh, that's cool. Like, that's all right then.
Yeah.
Yeah, so then he took down our vlog, like name and stuff. And blah, blah, blah. Yeah.
Cool. She's out there making connections and also getting in trouble.
Yeah, there was this guy on the street, real quickly.
Yeah, so some Jamaicans stay.
Yeah, he was like one of the guys. He had like a store, like one of those push cut store things. And he's like, "Oh, you're filming, you're videoing." And I said, "Yeah." And he goes, "Oh, okay, cool."
Yeah.
Then all of a sudden, this Rasta was standing like right where the petrol station is on the corner there, and he's like, "Don't film us! Don't film us!" And I'm like, dude, I'm not filming you. And I was like, I'm like putting the camera. I'm like, I'm not filming you. Can you not see? Stupid. I can, anyways. And as I said to the camera, I'm feisty and I'll fight back. I wasn't filming the guy. It's not like I was filming anybody. I wasn't filming anybody. I was filming myself doing a vlog, basically. And even like the shoe shop, like the girl was like, I know you. And I was like, and she was, you're a YouTuber. I was like, yeah.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
That's cool. Nice.
Guys, I'm so hot and sweaty.
Challenge.
Yeah, I went to go see if I could find a nail parlor, and then I thought, nah, you know what? I'm not gonna bother because I just wanted to come home. I miss you guys.
Yeah.
Truthfully, I did. Sorry, my hair's a mess.
Miss you too, babe.
I missed him and I missed Bobo.
Yeah, I feed him and then he fell asleep in my arms and I put him over there to lay. Yeah.
What else you been doing?
Playing PUBG and also watching a bit of YouTube.
All right, cool.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna go buy a drink down the road there, and then we can eat.
All right.
What do you want to
to
drink? I had a Red Bull. Oh, and this lady at the Asian store, I forgot to tell you, where I bought the Red Bull. She let me in without a mask because I was like, I had my hands all full, like I had my bag, I had the box and whatever, and the GoPro in my hand, and she was like, oh, don't worry about it. Come. This Asian lady. She's like, come. So I went in the shop and I said, do you mind if I drink my can in here? She's like, no, that's fine. I sat there and drank the can. And we're talking and she says, where are you from? I said, from Australia. Like, I live there.
Yeah.
And she was like, oh my God, wow, my kids live in America. And she's got really bad English, but yeah, we started talking and she was saying, oh, enjoy, I hope your partner's doing well with the baby at home and all this sort of stuff. Yeah, but I didn't film that part because,
that's fine.
But next time I'll take you there and she'll probably say hi to us. So.
Nice.
Yeah. All right, guys.
Yeah.
Done talking. I think I just like talk very fast.
As I go, you did great, baby. You did really great.
Oh my God.
Yeah. I love the shoes, though. I love it.
You gotta try them.
Nice and simple. It's not too fussy.
Good brand.
Yeah. American Eagle. Okay. Nice. Yeah, because there's a Payless in Port Antonio now, guys. So yeah.
They got some really nice shoes. You will see on my video what shoes I picked, but I told the lady I'll come back with you next time and we'll get another set.
Cool.
So you can choose next time.
Yeah. It seems like
quite cheap.
it's like the go-to place now. Everyone is like going there.
But yeah, I had to wait in line for a bit outside.
Yeah.
And this security guard just kept eyeing me out, and I was just like. And then he came and talked to me after I got out of the shop, and he's like, "Are you okay? Are you good?" I'm like, "Yeah, I'm fine, thank you." He goes, "All right, now you be careful." I was like, "Yeah, all right, cool."
Okay.
Anyway, yeah. That's it.
Ah, cool. And look who is awake now, guys. Look who we have here. Hello, Bobo. Hello.
Oh, by the way, when I left here, the intro we didn't tape anything.
What? It didn't
Didn't
tape?
work, yeah.
What?
'Cause we didn't hear the click.
Oh, Jesus. But remember, the camera is on silent.
Yeah, it didn't work. Have a
Oh, okay. We made an intro with, well, we thought we made an intro as what baby's saying, so yeah. Whoa,
Cutie. Alright, let me go wash my hands. Actually, do you want me to go get a drink first?
Yeah, no problem.